and then they are built by hands. After being washed carefully using drinkable water, the fruits are sliced by hands into the slices of required thickness. A small amount of sugar together with an acidity regulator is added to obtain suitable sweetness and sourness of the finished product. This step is not carried out in case we process natural dried mango, which means that the product which was processed without adding up any sugar or any other ingredients. After several hours for the sugar and the acidity regulator to penetrate evenly into the slices of mango, now the slices are ready to be spreaded into the trays for the next step, which is drying. The trays as well as other contacting parts are made of stainless steel to guarantee the hygiene condition for processing. Trays with the slices of mango are now then brought into the heat pump drying system to do the drying step. This system is special beside a conventional drying chamber as any other drying system have. This machine also has a mechanical refrigerator. In this system, the air is blown across the mango slices. The water in the mango now evaporates into vapor and then taken up by the air. The air which accesses the drying room now becomes very humid, which would hardly uptake any vapor from the fruit. However, when this air is brought into the heat exchange inside the evaporator of the mechanical refrigerator, the air is cooled down and then the vapor in the air now condensates into liquid water, which is then removed from the air. By this process, the air becomes drier. Then this air is now blown into the heat exchange with the condenser of the mechanical refrigerator, where it receives the heat from the condenser and now it's become warmer. And then the air now is warmer and drier, which is then recirculated into the drying room to take further the water from the mangoes. So then with this system, we can dry fruits for a shorter time because we can make drier air which can uptake more moisture from the fruit, and also then we can dry at lower temperatures as compared to conventional drying method. Because of these two characteristics, the drying with this technology can preserve better nutritional value of the product as well as the sensorial quality of the product. The dried products processed with this heat pump drying technology will have a very natural taste and flavor. For a conventional drying system, we can only adjust the temperature, but with this heat pump drying machines, we can adjust the temperature together with the humidity of the air. Normally, we make the air drier so it can uptake the moisture from the fruit faster, so that we can dry for a shorter time. The drying condition including again the temperature, the humidity of the air at each step, and also the total drying time are optimized by our R&D department before applying to the reprocessing. After the metal detection step, the product is now packed into aluminum package